How to use Face ID to download apps on iPhone. So for that you have to watch this video till the end and you have to follow this step-by-step guidelines and watch the video till the end. So you can use your Face ID to download the app. You have to open up your setting app on your iPhone. And here you have to scroll down and go for the Face ID and passcode. And after that you have to enter your passcode on your iPhone. So here you ensure that your iPhone, so here you have to ensure that iTunes and App Store is toggle on. So which allows Face ID to use for App Store purchase and download. Here you can see that you have to toggle this option on, which is used for Face ID. After that, you can open up your Apple Store on your iPhone. And here you have to browse through any of the app that you want to download like this. And just go for the Get option. After that, you will prompted to look at your iPhone to authenticate it with Face ID. Just double click here, and here you can see that this game has been installing on my iPhone. So this way, so after the Face ID is recognized, the app will be start downloading. So you will be able to quickly download apps on your iPhone using either Face ID or Touch ID according to your device. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.